Hello, let's learn some English today. Repeat after me. Hello.
Hello, my name is.
Excellent. Good job. Who this course is for? Absolute beginners, people who never speak English, feel shy, or just want to understand, use everyday English. No grammar lessons, no boring rules. Who is this course for? Absolute beginners, people who never speak English and feel shy. Let's practice asking for help. Watch the board. Can you help me? Can you help me carry these bags? Can you help me with this problem? Can you help me? Can you help me carry these bags? Can you help me with this problem? Let's learn how to ask for the bathroom. First, where is the bathroom? Next, excuse me, and could you tell me where the bathroom is? What time is it? Excuse me, what time is it now? Do you know? You, in the blue shirt, can you tell us? English is about understanding and using it every day. No grammar lessons, no boring rules. You will start speaking from lesson 1. You will learn phrases people actually use. You will feel confident, not confused. I communicate assertively. Repeat after me. My voice is powerful. Repeat. I've worked hard for this, and I'm not backing down. Let's seize this opportunity and make it ours. No grammar explanations, only natural patterns. Memory magic. Same phrases used again and again. Memory magic. Welcome to Module 1, Basic Survival English. Today we'll start with Lesson 1, saying hello. Let's try a fun activity. First, say hello like you are happy. Then, say hello like you are tired. Mini conversation. A says hi. B says hello. Lesson 2, how are you? How are you? I'm fine. I'm good. I'm okay. Not bad. Mini story. Anna meets Tom at the shop. I'm good. I'm tired. Welcome to Lesson 3, nice to meet you. We'll learn, what's your name? My name is ... and nice to meet you. Welcome to Lesson 3, nice to meet you. We'll learn, what's your name? My name is ... and nice to meet you. Game. Say your name slowly. Say it fast. Say it proudly. Module 2, Daily Life English. Lesson 4, please and thank you. Let's begin. Let's review some key polite phrases. Please, thank you very much, and you're welcome. For example, may I have some water, please? Thank you very much. All right, class, lesson 5, yes, no, maybe. Our phrases are yes, no, maybe, I don't know. It's a fun game. I ask, you answer quickly. Yes, no, maybe, I don't know. Let's play a fun game. The teacher asks funny questions, and the students answer quickly. Lesson 6, sorry and excuse me. Sorry, I'm sorry, excuse me. Welcome to Lesson 6. Today we're covering sorry and excuse me. The key phrases are sorry, I'm sorry, excuse me. Real life acting, bumping into someone and passing through people. You bump, then pass through smoothly. Now let's move on to Module 3. This is Lesson 7, on everyday actions. Let's use the story method. I wake up. Students, say your day. I wake up. I eat. I work. I sleep. Phrases story method. I wake up. I eat. I work. I sleep. Students say their day. Let's start with Lesson 8. Phrases for I like and I don't like. For example, I like it. I don't like it. Okay, let's play a game. We'll show pictures of food, music, and places. Then students will react. Welcome to Lesson 9, feelings. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm sad. I'm tired. I'm angry. Welcome to Module 4, going out and shopping. Today, Lesson 10, at the shop. Let's begin. Phrases. Now, let's practice. You're in a restaurant, ordering food. I want coffee, please. Where is it? Here. There. Go straight. Where is the library? Here. There. Go straight. Hello? Who is this? Thank you. Bye. Welcome to Lesson 15, Confidence Day. Today we'll introduce ourselves, talk about our day, and order food. Hi, I'm Sarah.
I'm Mike, I'm hungry.
Welcome. Let's talk about common mistakes. A big one is using the wrong data type and forgetting to handle errors. Here's a fun homework assignment for you. Record yourself saying 5 phrases to someone. It can be to a friend or family member. Don't be perfect. Be brave. Speak English. Good evening. Good evening. Are you ready for dinner? Good evening. Are you ready for dinner? Good evening. How was your day today? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I've heard a lot about you. Nice to meet you. I hope we can work together. How's it going? Hey, John, how's it going? How's it going? Did you finish your project? Let's start with the first one. On the screen, it says, what's your name? Next, we have a polite version. And the third one is more casual. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. My name is David, and I'm from London. How much is this? How much is this jacket? Can you tell me how much this costs?